Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to fix random restart problems in Windows 11. The first solution that you should always take in consideration is to disable the automatic restart. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type View Advanced System Settings and select it from the search results. Then in the System Properties window, make sure to go to the Startup and Recovery section and click on the Settings button. Now you can just untick the checkbox for Automatic Restart under System Failure and then click on OK to save the changes. You can now restart the PC and then you can check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to disable the Fast Startup. To do this, press the Windows button and simply type Choose a Power Plan and select it from the search results. Now you can just click on the Choose what the power buttons do from the list of options on the left pane of the window. Now you can see that some settings are grayed out, so in order to enable them you can just click on Change settings that are currently unavailable and then simply untick the checkbox for Turn on Fast Startup. Lastly, just click on Save Changes at the bottom. Now you can just restart your PC and check if the problem still persists. You can also update group policies. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type cmd and run command prompt as an administrator. In here, just type the following command: gp update. Now you can just press enter and wait until the group policy editor is updated, and lastly you can restart your PC to check if the problem still occurs. Another useful solution is to update or reinstall the graphics driver. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. Now just find Display Adapters and double-click it to expand it, and then right-click the problematic driver and select the Update option. Now just click on Search automatically for drivers and Windows will try to find the best possible driver for your PC. Otherwise, you can also uninstall the driver. You can right-click it and then select the Uninstall Device option. Now just make sure to tick the Attempt to remove the driver for this device box and then confirm by pressing the Uninstall button. Now once you restart the PC, you will see that Windows will automatically install a fresh driver for the graphics driver. And lastly, another great solution is to run an SFC and CHKDSK scan. To do this, press the Windows button and then type in cmd and run command prompt as an administrator. In here, type the following commands and press enter after each. As a note, make sure that you can also copy-paste them from the description below. Now with the CHKDSK scan, you will be asked to schedule the scan to run the next time you restart the computer. So you can press the Y letter and hit enter to confirm. And that's it. Plenty of options to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.